Good evening. Glad to be back after 2 months been gone. Seems like I've had something going on every meeting for the past couple months. Anyway, things on the mountain are going well. Very pleased with what's going on. Progress update over the past month. Curb and gutter install for the student parking and staff parking has been completed or near completion. Drywall on the 3rd floor of wing C and D have been hung and insulated, of course, except the exterior walls. We're waiting to get the air barrier and things on some of those walls before we hang it. The 2nd floor, we are one-siding the walls and install Bart's been inspecting, and we'll be covering those up in the next week or so. Roofing has been installed on the low roof of area C and D and the cafeteria. All we have left is the low roof area that's over the art room, the corridor that goes down to the sports complex, and that low roof in that area. Roofing should be completed early December on the whole building. MEP rough-in continues on all areas of the building. The brick on the front of the building is all installed all the way across except the little area in area D, and they're about halfway up the wall there. That ought to be coming to the end possibly by the end of the week. The football field footers for the retaining walls and the bleachers are in progress. They're making good progress on those. Roof drains are tied in where we have a roof on the building. Exterior sheathing is nearing completion, and we've got most all the windows blocked up with plastic so that they can begin to do temporary heat. They were supposed to start asphalt this past Monday. Of course, it was cold and snow and all that good stuff. So they are be starting asphalt on Monday next week. Complete installation of curb and gutter, we'll be finishing that up. The brick masons have got to get off the front of the building so we can complete the curb going down the front of the school. The blue skin and the spray foam insulation will be completed in the next week or two. The installation of the roof, as I mentioned earlier, in those low roof areas of A and B will be completed in the next month. The brickwork on the exterior will be completed by next meeting, I'm pretty sure, as well as the ground face block that goes around the shops, around the bottom. We'll continue hanging drywall in areas C and D, and then we'll be moving, once we get the roof on the rest of the building, rest of that area, we'll start hanging those areas then. The low voltage cabling has started. They're pulling fire alarm now and controls for the HVAC. They'll be starting the data drops pretty soon. And they've got heaters at the job site now. We got gas hooked up today. And they'll be bringing some propane tanks in to supplement the gas heating. These will be units that they've rented so that we can continue to hang drywall. Well, actually, we can hang it while it's cold, but we can't finish it. And they'll be heating the building so we can actually finish drywall in the building. A few pictures. This was taken this morning, CTE drone. As I mentioned, Teddy did this today. Here's the parking lot in the front of the school. You can see the curbs there. Football field. This is the bus parking lot from up on the roof looking down on it. That's the first area they'll be paving, as well as the roundabout coming from the neighborhood on that end of the school. That'll all start next week. Inside the building, this is where the coal seam was to go. They've started the brick in there, as well as the brick that goes around the eagle that will be going in the school, that being done by Johnny and the students. We are in the process of scaffolding the auditorium so they have a good work platform so they can install the ductwork, all the little clouds, and all the stuff that goes, the lighting that goes up in the ceiling in the auditorium. So that scaffolding's supposed to be finished by the end of the week, and then they'll start working in there next week. Here's the mechanical room. You can see they've got pumps set. They're running chill water lines. This is starting to shape up. I'll be glad to get the roof on this area, which will be the next area to be roofed, and so things are looking good. This is up on the academic wing on the 3rd floor, looking down the hallway. As you can see, we've got drywall hung. This is one of the classrooms with the drywall hung. This is area D, going into area D on the 3rd floor, outside the stairwell. This is also where their drywall is hung. This is on level 2. They've got one side of drywall in some rooms. They've started insulating some walls. As you can see, the wood blocking there for casework. This would be on the science wing. The medical classroom, this is a picture of one of the medical classrooms where they've got the insulation in, and the drywall is actually on the other side of that insulation. So that's what I have for tonight. Very pleased with what's going on, and looking forward to get the roof on it and get some heat in there. Any questions, comments? Okay, we got a short video here from today. Roll it. So this is a video of the whole site. As you can see, we're starting on the north end. They are, and working across. See the football field, school. Then we get over here to the athletic fields. Where they are at this point, we're using the soccer field right now, more or less for storage, until we can get the roads done. Now this is video going into the school, going up the steps to the 3rd floor. So we're going up on the 3rd floor now. We're headed into the C wing of the academic classrooms. Elevator there on the left. We got a workroom there, as you see straight ahead, with the blocking in there. Corridor on the academic wing. Guys trying to get away from the drone. How you doing, Angie, over there?
This is better than the last one. So
He'll be taking it into a classroom here shortly. This is at the end of the hall on the C wing, academic wing on the 3rd floor. There's a little gathering area there. There'll be some seating there for students to gather. Try not to go too fast for you, Angie.
that's okay. That's okay.
Well, we'll see how long that drywall hangs up when we start kicking that.
So we can see he's going into one of the academic classrooms now with the drone, doing a 360 of the room. The architect wanted some structural beams exposed throughout the school to make it look like mining, I suppose. He should be flying out of that classroom. Going into another classroom on the opposite side. You can see we haven't hung the drywall on the exterior wall yet, but the other walls are hung. They have plastic in the windows. Then he's going to fly over to the D wing once he gets back to the stairwell. Kind of an area here. It's kind of a hangout area as well. Now he's going into the D wing, academic wing. kind of another area out here. And, you know, they head down the hallway and hit a couple classrooms on this side. But I'm anxious to get the exterior sealed up and the heat on so we can get some drywall finished. Then drop some ceilings. Casework guys are coming next week to measure for casework, verify the dimensions. So that'll be nice. Should be getting ready to go back downstairs. And he flew this drone from the second floor. He wasn't even up there with it, which is pretty impressive to me.
Yeah.
And he has a set of goggles he wears, and he just
Shows him
follows
where
it
he's
around
going.
and tells it, and he's got a little thing that steers it. It's pretty cool.
That's
cool.
pretty awesome then. I thought he was up there with it.
No, he's down on the second floor at the bottom of the steps. You'll see us both standing there here in just a moment.
How many stairwells do we have going to that third floor?
We have this one stairwell here, which is in the center of the building. We have one on each end of the two wings that go from the ground at the shops all the way up.
To the
So
third.
there's to the third
Okay.
floor. So there's 3 stairs going to the third floor, and the elevator goes to the third floor as well.
Okay.
All right, any questions? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Tim.
Thank you.